Hello friends, happy Monday. Welcome to Craft with Us. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Miss B. I'm one of the children's librarians here at the Winchester Public Library, and I am here to lead you through your Monday afternoon crafty afternoon. So, for those of you who grabbed our craft bags, you should have your materials nearby and your handy dandy helpful instruction sheet. I'm going to go through it with you step by step. And for those of you who didn't grab our craft bag, that is a-okay. This is definitely one that you can do at home with materials you have just lying around. So we are going to do some origami folds. And it's pretty simple. We're going to make our very own bookmark. So really, friends, all you need, if you're at home and you didn't grab our craft bag, is a piece of paper, a pencil, a ruler, and some scissors. And you can make the bookmark. And then we're going to turn our bookmark into a unicorn. But you can really turn yours into whatever it is that you want. But let's get started. So if you haven't unpacked your bag yet, you'll have the instructions on the outside, and then you'll have a piece of white paper that I've already cut mine down. Yours is a little bigger, so mine is here. And then you'll have a piece of yellow paper. Yours also is probably a little bigger. I just cut mine down a little bit. I have regular glue, but you all, my markers are rolling away from me. You all should have a glue stick in your kit, some googly eyes, and some fancy gems. Here we go. All right. So, first things first, my young friends, if you have a grown-up and you need help tracing some lines, get your grown-up involved. And if you want to practice doing it yourself, great job. Take as much time as you need. Okay, so what you want to do, and what I've already done, is you can barely see it here. Oh, there's my pencil line. I have drawn my 4" by 4" square on my piece of paper. And it's okay, if you goof it up the first time, that's okay. I gave you extra paper. So I'm going to get my scissors, and I'm going to cut out my square. So that's step 1 and 2 on our instructions. Draw your square and then cut it out. All right, and we're using scissors, so if our little friends are joining us, just make sure we have our grown-ups help or our grown-ups nearby if we're going to use our scissors. Okay? All right. So there we go. So now we have our 4" by 4" square, and any extra pieces we can just set aside over there and we don't need them. Okay. So I'm going to put my ruler down over here so I've got some space because we want to try to be as accurate as we can. So this is a bit of a lesson in patience, my friends. Okay, so we want to put our square of paper on a flat surface and we're going to fold it to make a triangle. Fold it diagonally. So we're going to bring this corner here to meet this corner all the way down there. Okay? All right, so we're going to bring it right up so that it meets its buddy right there. And then we're going to fold it in half. So now we have a triangle. Look at that. We have a triangle. Technically, we have 2 triangles right there, okay? All right. So now we're going to magically turn our triangles into more triangles. So what we do, friends, is we lay it flat down again, and only with one side. So we leave this side just the way it is. We take the top corner and we fold it down to meet the flat side, okay? So we take it and we fold it down to meet right the flat side, the edge, right there like that. So then, look, we've got 1, 2, 3 triangles on one side and just the big one on the back side, okay? All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold our outside triangles, this guy and this guy here. We're going to fold them up, okay? Watch how I do. So we're going to fold it up like that. See what I did there? Just like that. And then we're going to do the exact same fold with this guy right here. Okay? I'm going to bring him up. Oh, you might have to do some adjusting to get them to meet in the middle. Origami folding is tricky, friends. All right, there we go. Just like that, okay? Do you see? We folded them both up just like that, okay? All right, now let's flip our instructions over. Okay. And now we're going to do some tucks, okay? So we've got it all like this, and we take this part here. Oops, sorry, friends. We take this part here, and we're forming a little pocket on the inside. Do you see that pocket right there? So we're going to tuck inside in there, just like that. Okay. Tuck it down, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. Ready? We're going to tuck it in, and we're going to tuck it into our pocket. There we go. Tuck, 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 tuck. There we go. Okay. Look at that. There we go. And it stays. We put it down, it stays folded. Good job, friends. All right. So now we're going to get our pencil and our scissors again. And I've already done this. You want to use the white paper that you set aside and then some of your yellow paper. And you can cut out ears and a unicorn horn for your unicorn. Okay? So here you go. And if you want to color the inside, so here are my ears. And I want my unicorn ears on the inside to be purple. Like that. And like that. This doesn't have to be perfect, just have to be yours. Okay, so there are my ears right there like that. And then I have a horn right here like that. All right. So my friends, so this is the top and this is the bottom. I should have grabbed a book to show you. But so pretend this piece of paper is my book page. So when you're all done with your book for the day, it just slides right on it, and then it marks your page for next time. So this is our top, and then just the one single triangle is our bottom, okay? All right, so now we glue on our decorations. Are we ready? So we have our 2 Google eyes that you got, your 2 ears and your unicorn horn and your gems. Let's see how it looks. Are we ready? So I'm going to put on my eyes. Oh, there we go. Got my eyes. I have different glue than you do. So, and what you want to do, let me show you how it works. Now, of course, I'm using the last little bit of my glue, so it's not going to cooperate and come out because I want it to right now. Oh, there we go. There we go. Just a little bit. A little dab will do ya. All right, and then you want to go on the back. All right, that's where we glue on our ears. Push it down. There we go. And then there we go, just a little bit. Move my glue over here and put on my unicorn horn. Is it starting to look like a unicorn, friends? Maybe. And if you want, you can draw on some eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. All right, now of course you gotta bedazzle our unicorn, right, friends? All right, so you can do as many or as few as you want. Oh, yeah, there we go. See, I'm gonna do one more right in the middle. There we go. And I want one all the way at the top of my unicorn horn too. Yes, I do. There we go. Look at that. We made a unicorn bookmark. How cool is that? And it all stays together and everything. And see? So next time you finish reading one of your library books or you just want to take a break, you can use your bookmark and stop your page. Pretty cool, huh, friends? All right. So, my friends, we will be back next week with another fun, crafty afternoon. Thank you for joining us on Craft with Us. If you're interested in picking up one of our craft bags, they go outside the library, the side door, the parking lot door at 9 a.m. on Monday mornings, and it is first come, first serve. There are usually about 35 bags, so feel free to stop by and grab one, and then join us at 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Instagram Live to craft with us and make our fun craft of the week. All right, my friends, thank you so much for joining me on this Monday afternoon. I almost said morning. It is not morning, it is afternoon. So as always, my friends, be safe, be kind, wash your hands, and wear your mask. I'll see everyone next week. Thank you.